Hey friends, it's Donovan talking again about renters making maintenance requests. Again, I encourage them to call me to let me know if there's a problem. We have a 3-step problem solving solution for that. We listen, we empathize, and we solve together. So by allowing people to be heard, to help solve that problem together, be part of the solution there. Again, we've been able to mitigate a lot of problems and eliminate, for almost the most part, those frivolous issues. But I want to talk about something I've learned over the last 15 years managing 25,000 properties. Is something we talk about a lot here. Is the first time you hear about an issue is your cheapest opportunity to solve it. The longer it drags on, the more expensive it's going to be, whether that's actual money or your goodwill cost on that, damaging that relationship. So it can be tough to hear, hey, I got to put a new AC unit in, or I got to do something, but understand the faster you get that resolved, the cheapest it's going to be. And if you watch some of my other videos, the sooner it's done, the sooner it's done. So if you're treating your renters well, you're encouraging them to be part of the process, and they call you with a maintenance request, hear them out, listen to them, empathize with their situation, and then solve that together. It'll save you money and protect your investment. So if you want to learn more, give us a call. Go to myRentDoor.com. Thanks for watching. Rent easy.